Aladdin Creations.
When the body is under severe stress, especially during infections, neutrophils can show subtle but important cytoplasmic changes. One of the most reliable clues is the presence of Dhle bodies. What are Dhle bodies? Dhle bodies are small, pale blue inclusions seen in the cytoplasm of mature neutrophils on a peripheral blood smear. They are not organisms and not nuclei. They represent remnants of rough endoplasmic reticulum within the neutrophil. How do Dhle bodies look on a blood smear? On microscopy, Dhle bodies appear as pale blue or grayish inclusions, usually oval or elongated, located near the cell periphery. Seen in mature neutrophils. They are best visualized on right or GM-sustained smears. Why do Dhle bodies appear? Dhle bodies form due to accelerated neutrophil production in the bone marrow. When the body demands neutrophils urgently, cells are released rapidly. Cytoplasmic maturation becomes incomplete. Residual rough endoplasmic reticulum remains visible. This reflects severe systemic stress, not immaturity. Clinical conditions associated. Dhle bodies are commonly seen in severe bacterial infections, sepsis, burns, severe inflammation, pregnancy. After G-CSF therapy, they are often seen together with other toxic changes, such as toxic granulation, cytoplasmic vacuolation, diagnostic importance. Dhle bodies indicate toxic neutrophil change. They support the diagnosis of severe infection or inflammation. They should not be mistaken for inclusions or parasites. Presence of Dhle bodies suggests severity of illness, not the causative organism. In summary, Dhle bodies means pale blue cytoplasmic inclusions, seen in mature neutrophils, represent rough endoplasmic reticulum remnants, common in severe infection and inflammatory stress. If this video helped you understand blood smear findings more clearly, don't forget to subscribe to Aladdin Creations for more simple, exam-oriented hematology and medical laboratory videos.